Well, I did not think I was gonna be saying this, but we moved. So today is moving day. It is January 17th. They give us a little gift bag. I will do a quick apartment tour. Yes, we're moving back into an apartment. Yes, I'm extremely happy about it. It's beautiful. I am in love. So here we have a coat closet. This is something I'm extremely excited for because our washer and dryer is so small at the house, and this apartment is like super dog friendly, and there's like lots of places for the dogs to play around here, so it's not gonna be that bad. I love the kitchen. Here is our office, which is nice. We never ended up using the office in our house, so we're just getting rid of the queen bed and then keeping this as an office and kind of like clothes and storage. Over here we have a balcony, but I don't want to show. And then this is the bedroom. So the one selling point for us was this, because we have no closet space, and this is a really big walk-in closet, so that was like kind of the main reason we ended up choosing this place. And then into the bathroom, there's just like so much storage in this bathroom. So yeah, it's just super spacious and whatnot. I love like the lighting in here and stuff, and we do have a balcony, which is beautiful. I will be very busy. It's 11:41, and I don't know if I'm gonna vlog the rest of the day. But
hi guys, good morning. It is a week later from the last time I vlogged. I just finished my workout and I wanted to show you kind of like updates to the house. This week has been absolutely insane. So I just honestly have not found the need to like pick up my camera. I'm just like, I just want to get stuff done. But first week here, and I absolutely love this place. Like, this is my favorite apartment I have ever lived in. House, apartment, anything. I love it. For like, we're in a 1-bedroom with a den, and the gym is amazing. I took almost 2 months off just because I went through a slight depression of just like not having a job, I just was really struggling with like my self-identity. So hopefully by my next video I will have a job offer. I believe that I will. So we're putting that out there, but I just really want to wait for the right thing, because I didn't last time. The dogs also love this place because they have so much more room to play as opposed to our house, actually. I'm not sure I explained anything. I can't get into it, but we had to move. There were a few really not great things that happened, not involving us. We had to just get the fuck out of there. And we did it quickly. We just came across this place and I was like, I love this place, let's move in. We applied like that day, moved in a week later. I also got a new camera that I need to figure out. I did vlog a little bit about this, but I probably am not gonna upload that. Brandon got me a Sony ZV-1, and it's supposed to be better than the Canon G7X Mark III. So I'm really excited, but I have to go out today and get a memory card. We have a few things to do today. We're gonna look for couches. Again, we went yesterday and like nothing's in stock, so it's kind of a shit show, but he's out getting bagels for us right now. And I was just sitting in my office drinking my coffee, and I was like, I need to pick up the camera immediately. And I just like have so much to show you. I've also been meaning to show you guys my pieces from Ana Luisa that I have not shown you, and it's like killing me because you guys know that I love them, and I just wanted to share some of my everyday jewelry pieces that I've been wearing lately. If you aren't familiar with Ana Luisa, they're a sustainable jewelry brand. I've been working with them for over 4 years now. And every time I show you guys pieces or like I post jewelry, everyone's like, where is it from? Where is it from? I have not taken these silver hoops out of my ears since I got them, because I'm a silver gal now. Well, not really, I have a gold necklace on, but I've been like really into mixing metals because they've been sitting on my desk since I moved in, and I'm like, let me just show you. You wanna see Moose? Come here, Moose. He's so big. He's a really big man. Aren't you? Aren't you? You're a really big man now. Say hi. Moosey's almost the size of Mav. No. Okay, all right, let's get down. Okay, Moose and I have become best friends. I love that motherfucker. I think I like these pieces actually better than what they sent me last time. So we have two chains, like a flat chain. One is silver, one is gold. When you wear them together, it's just like the glisten, like they sparkle, they're so reflective. And like I said, Ana Luisa literally doesn't tarnish. I still have rings that I've worn every single day for years, never tarnished. It's really inexpensive, makes for the great gift. So I'm partnering with them for their Valentine's Day campaign. So if you guys are looking for Valentine's Day gifts, these just, everyone loves jewelry. I mean, I hope I get jewelry for Valentine's Day. If you guys want to shop Ana Luisa, you can click the link in the description box. I will be getting commission. Help a girl out, you know, I'm still unemployed. Thank you. So they're having 25% off for their Valentine's Day sale. Their designs actually start at only $39. Everything's really affordable. And they have free shipping and exchanges. Just wanted to show you guys that because all of my jewelry has been out. And as I sat down to film, I'm like, okay, let me just show this freaking jewelry. And I just needed to share that I've also been wearing these every single day. So let me show you a little bit of the house. So far, this is my office. It's a little crazy, but we have 2 dressers. And then this is the kitchen so far. We've hung a few things. This is my favorite room in the house. I cannot explain to you what a game changer these washers and dryers are. Over here, we're gonna do a big bar cart, get something with storage. New couch will be coming soon because it broke. New TV stand as well. And then bathroom has so much storage. Oh, thank you, Moose. You just put my new aloe sweatshirt on the ground. That's so nice of you. I also just hung these yesterday. And then you look suspicious. There's Maddie chilling in his crate. And then our bed fits perfectly in here. I didn't think it would. And then our closet. We're also gonna get 2 like 86 inches TVs, which I'm not thrilled about, but it's the one thing I can't control. That's what we got so far. I will be back with updates when our bar stools come. Hello guys, it is the next day. It's about 1 o'clock. I've been busy just like getting random stuff done, like laundry, whatever, cleaning the house. And now I'm off to Target and HomeSense, maybe World Market. I don't really have much else to say other than honestly, what I'm actually going to Target for is not fun. I'm just getting like probiotics and some like random shit. But I figured I would vlog because why not? It's Friday. We're gonna have a really chill weekend. I've been like dying to take a break from going out. So we went out Friday and like if it was up to me, I would drink alcohol 1 day a week. We usually just go to a little dive bar anyway, and it's like everyone knows each other and it's really fun. It really is. I have to get up pretty early tomorrow, drive down to South Jersey because my college roommate is having a baby. I'm excited to see all my college friends. It'll be really nice. That's what's going on. So I will let you guys know what I find in Target. I will never, ever, ever, ever be the same after what just happened to me. I know this camera angle is whack, but I just witnessed the 11-year-olds of Sephora live in fucking action. I literally walk in and I knew where the Summer Fridays was because I just needed a new lip balm. So I go back there and I wanted to get the vanilla one because I've never had that one. I always get like the, I don't know, whatever it is. So I went in there for one thing and I was gonna browse the store, but I was so fucking terrified of these children that I couldn't even browse. Like, I shit you not, I will never, ever, ever be the same after witnessing this. Like, I didn't realize how bad it was until I actually saw it for myself. So I beelined it right for Summer Fridays in the back. And there's like I'm not kidding, at least 10 girls. And they were definitely in like different groups because I saw when I went back out to my car, there was one of the groups was parked across from me. So I'm like, oh my God, shitting my pants. So I heard one girl and she goes, I want the glow recipe, I want the glow recipe. And I was like, oh my God. And the other girl's like, no, Summer Friday, Summer Friday. So I go to like get mine and the fucking little bitch, sorry, girly pop, I should say brat because they are brats.
Took the very last vanilla. I was so pissed off. I was like, are you fucking kidding me? Like, not only did someone just take it in front of my eyes, like, I wouldn't have even cared if it wasn't like an 11-year-old girl. And I wouldn't have even given them 11. Like, I would have given them like maybe 10. But when I tell you I was absolutely petrified, I was like, you know what, let me get the fuck out of here because I'm so scared right now. I mean, they are gonna trample right over you. If you experience this, I'm very sorry, but this was truly my Roman Empire. I can't believe it happened. I don't think I'm ever gonna shut up about this. I got to live witness it. So I walk up to the counter to pay, and like the girl looked young, so I was like, all right, she's definitely on TikTok. So I walk up to her and I immediately just like threw my shit down, and I was like, I can't believe I'm witnessing the 11-year-olds in Sephora live in action. And she just starts laughing and she's like, girl, you have no idea like how bad it is on a day-to-day basis. And she's like, I just don't get it. She's like, they have more money than us. I'm like, no, I'm like scared for my life. I said, I was gonna walk around the stores, not anymore. That's all right, you guys lost my business for today, like jokingly. And she's like, she's like, I really don't understand it. She's like, this generation is like ridiculous. So I ran for my life when I left, but I secured my Sephora and I went to Target and I spent $120 on God knows what. Like, I genuinely have no idea, but anyway, I'm gonna go because my camera's gonna fall because I'm driving hilly roads. Goodbye.
We're back home now. I've been home for probably like 20 minutes. I actually ended up breaking a nail that was just about to fall off right when I got home, and I just walked out the door and walked to the nail salon. I was like, I'll be right back. I have the house to myself for like 2 hours. Well, I thought I did. And Brandon just calls me. He's like, hey, his best friend he's like, oh, he's gonna come over and hang out with you for a little. And then we're gonna go like get a drink. I'm like, I never had the house to myself. I was enjoying this. So yeah, I just played like 20 minutes Candy Crush. I need to wrap my family's Christmas gifts. Is it January 26th right now? Yeah, it is. I'm so excited. I can't wait to give this to my mom. It's the Beast blender. We actually found it at Costco. So I have to wrap them because my mom is meeting me at the gender reveal tomorrow because everyone was sick and we haven't gotten together for Christmas yet. We planned on it like 2 weeks later, and then my mom got sick. So we have yet to do Christmas. So I have to wrap like a bunch of gifts. I'll show you what I got at Target really quick. I literally did not get anything interesting. Like I said, I got my Summer Fridays, and then Target, I got like stuff to wrap. I got like wrapping paper and whatnot. I got probiotics. I got some eggs, some coffee. This was like the most Christmas-y wrapping paper I could find. And then for my gender reveal tomorrow, it's so funny. I came home and Brandon's like going through my stuff, looking what I got. And I'm like, he's like, I've never seen you wear pink before. Because I went in my closet and I don't own a single pink shirt or blue shirt. I have no idea why. So I got this bow because I'm gonna do like a half up, half down and curl my hairstyle. So I got a bow to put in my hair because I thought that would be cute. If it wasn't like a baby themed, I wouldn't do it. And then I just got like this pink t-shirt. So that's what I'm gonna wear because it's gonna be really warm out actually tomorrow. And then, oh my God, I'm obsessed. This is my favorite Method body scent ever. I used like the coconut one forever. It was like the blue bottle. And then one day Brandon came home with this for me and I was like, oh my God, I'm obsessed. So, oh, and then I got baby wipes to bring. And then I realized that on the invitation it said, if it's a girl, bring diapers. If it's a boy, bring baby wipes. I think it's a girl, but here are my baby wipes. So I'm an asshole. I also got, this was like the only thing of home decor I got because I saw them on clearance. I got 2 baskets and I put them, I'll show you actually. I put them underneath here. You can't really see, I have to turn the light on. Hello, Mamoose. Let me, so I just have those right there. Hello, you big man. But I thought they were cute because that needed a basket. And I was like, you know what? There's 2 left. They're $15 each. Let's do it. I'm actually going to end this vlog here so I can get to wrapping and throw a little makeup on my face if we're going out. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to check out Ana Luisa. I love you guys. And I lots of home decor next week, couch, coffee table, bar stools, everything, all the fun stuff. So I will see you guys in my next vlog.